Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Let's explore 10 fun and simple ways to teach kids about healthy eating. Keycap 1. Make it a game. Turn healthy eating into an adventure. Try games like matching fruits to their colors or identifying veggies by shape. Learning through play makes it exciting. Keycap 2. Get them involved in the kitchen. Kids love feeling grown up. Let them stir, measure, or wash ingredients. When they help prepare food, they're more likely to eat it. Keycap 3. Teach the rainbow rule. Encourage kids to eat a variety of colorful fruits and veggies. Explain how each color helps their body in different ways, like boosting energy or fighting germs. Keycap 4. Involve them in grocery shopping. Take your kids to the store or a farmer's market. Let them pick a new fruit or veggie to try. It's a great way to spark curiosity. Keycap 5. Make food fun. Create smiley faces with fruits or veggie animals on the plate. When food looks fun, kids are more excited to eat it. Keycap 6. Keep it simple and educational. Explain to your kids why certain foods are better for them. Use terms they understand like strong bones or superhero energy. Keycap 7. Teach balance, not restriction. Let kids enjoy occasional treats, but pair them with healthy options. This teaches them moderation without making any food off limits. Keycap 8. Grow your own food. If possible, start a small garden at home. Kids love watching plants grow and will feel proud to eat what they've helped cultivate. Keycap 9. Use stories and videos. Introduce fun books or videos that talk about food and health. Kids will relate to characters and absorb positive messages. Keycap 10. Be a role model. Kids imitate what they see. Show them how much you enjoy healthy foods, and they'll want to follow your lead. Smiling kids holding fruits and giving thumbs up. Healthy eating can be a fun and exciting journey for the whole family. Start with these tips and watch your kids develop a love for nutritious foods.